First things first, gather the following ingredients: baking soda, which acts as a fungicide and insecticide, vegetable oil to help the mixture adhere to the plant leaves, soap to increase the mixture's clinginess to the pests and plants, and water to serve as the base of the spray. Now, let's get to work. Combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a few drops of liquid soap, and a gallon of water. Stir them all together until they are well mixed, forming a uniform solution. Once you've got your mixture ready, it's important to test it out on a small part of a plant before applying it widely. This way, you can check for any adverse reactions. If all looks well, go ahead and spray the mixture on the affected plants. Make sure to cover all surfaces, especially the undersides of leaves. That's where pests and fungal spores often hide out. Depending on the severity of your pest problem, you may need to reapply the spray every few days or after rain. This homemade baking soda mixture can be a powerful weapon against a range of fungal diseases and pests, like aphids and mildew. However, remember to use it cautiously. While baking soda can help control fungal growth and some pests, it can potentially alter the pH of the soil or harm sensitive plants if overused. As with any home remedy, it's always a good idea to follow best practices and consult with a gardening expert if you're unsure about treating specific plant species. So, there you have it, an easy, cost-effective, and eco-friendly way to keep your garden thriving and pest-free. Happy gardening! Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.